Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 20th of May, closing the week video. On this video, we will close the markets, and before just starting our charts, I will share some news with you. This morning, we have received that China has lowered its prime loan rate to support economy by just giving more loans to people. This is kind of bailout to real estate companies. Just imagine like this. It's just lowering the mortgage rates and advising banks that lower their mortgage rates, and that's kind of helping those struggling companies. If they had like a real money, they would do that, but right now they are kind of asking people bail out these real estate companies. So it's not something manageable, or it's not something doable, because the sales right now on decline, and we have seen lower level of loans in China. That was the news. All right, we are starting with dollar index. As you can see on the chart, dollar index has just started a decline on from its 104 levels and tested the deep levels on here, recent deep levels actually. And as you can see here, it just like it tested in here and it just made its jump from here, another test on here, another like a rebound from here. So this level is to 102.771 is kind of support level for dollar index. If we just see hawkish fat statements, we can see 104 levels again in short term. That's the place we can see in short term. And euro dollar and GBP USD, with the decline of these dollar index decline, they just rebounded some, but as long as we see another uptrend, we can see declines on countercurrency. Let's look at our gold chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our second chart is gold. As you can see here, today gold is not moving that much because it's just waiting for some news, and it has risen from the support level 1800 levels, and it has tested 1850, around 1850. Then it's some sell-off, but not actually sell-off. People are just, investors are just skeptical because they just want to see the future, like what will happen with Ukraine and Russia, and everything is on decline. It will just go ahead like that, or it will just slow down a bit. So they just want to see that. If you see a rising in inflation and rising 10-year bonds, then we will see some more decline. But as long as we see declining, by the way, 10-year bonds as well, they were trading at 3.20, and right now they are trading at 2.80, so there's a decline on that one. If you see higher level of these bonds, we can see sell-off effect in gold, because it's testing high level, but it cannot successful. So at least $10 decline in gold possible, seems possible. Let's look at oil prices. All right, oil prices cannot decide the direction, because like as you can see here, with like on here there was a trend on higher levels, but then it just started to decline with the fear of recession. Then we have seen some jumps, and with the hope of China reopening with COVID lockdowns. Then, as you can see here, it's rising limited. So not a full recovery, but still some recovery. So let me just show you on wider perspective. So there's a channel right now. The channel is upside of like the top of the channel is 114, and the lower level of that one is 98. Right now, just in the middle of these channel, even closer to the top of that one, we may see some more high, then another sell-off is possible, because higher level of oil is not sustainable, especially with Venezuela news. If you see more coverage in mainstream media, we will definitely see more decline. And as I said, Biden administration is just like a pushing to keep prices lower. Otherwise, they will just get a lot of pressure from its party and also citizens. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news. We will cover more charts with you. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.